AutoBrowser AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's the next big thing in AI software, you're in the right place. In this review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end. There's a lot to unpack. Stick with me, because I'm also going to share how you can try AutoBrowser AI completely free from the link below. So let's dive in. First off, AutoBrowser AI is a game changer in the digital marketing world, designed to automate web browsing tasks using AI. What sets this software apart is its ability to handle a variety of browsing tasks efficiently and with minimal human intervention. From gathering data to managing multiple tabs, AutoBrowser AI is built for people who need speed and precision without the extra manual work. Now, you may be wondering if it's actually as good as it sounds, and that's why I'm going to get into some key features that make this software stand out. First, the AI-driven automation means that AutoBrowser AI doesn't just click around like a regular bot. It intelligently navigates the web, extracts relevant data, and processes it in real time. This isn't just about automation, it's about making smart decisions while browsing, which drastically reduces time spent on routine tasks. Second, one of its strongest points is the integration capabilities. If you're already using tools like Google Analytics, CRM systems, or even custom APIs, AutoBrowser AI seamlessly integrates with them to pull or push data without skipping a beat. It's optimized for marketers and digital professionals who need to juggle multiple platforms at once. If you're a marketer, imagine how much time you could save by automating web research or even scraping competitor data without lifting a finger. The third thing you need to know about AutoBrowser AI is how it optimizes for speed. Most automation tools struggle with efficiency, but AutoBrowser AI has been engineered to handle large volumes of data in seconds. This means you won't be waiting around for results, and you'll be able to get to the insights faster. That's a massive win for anyone needing actionable data on a tight schedule. What about customization? With AutoBrowser AI, you can tweak the way it interacts with websites based on your specific needs. Whether it's a project that requires a deep dive into content analysis or a simple task like pulling stock prices, AutoBrowser AI can adapt to your workflow. This level of customization allows for broader use cases across different industries, from marketing and data analysis to even research-heavy fields like finance or e-commerce. The fifth point is security. In an age where data breaches are unfortunately common, AutoBrowser AI keeps security front and center. It uses encryption protocols and ensures that any data you interact with is processed safely. When automating sensitive tasks, knowing your information is secure is crucial, and AutoBrowser AI delivers on that promise. Another feature you'll appreciate is the user interface. While some AI software can be clunky and intimidating, AutoBrowser AI is designed to be accessible to users of all skill levels. You don't need to be an expert to get started, and its easy-to-navigate interface helps you automate complex tasks without needing to write a single line of code. That's right, no coding experience required. Finally, if you're still on the fence, you can try AutoBrowser AI for free right now through the link in the description below. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just diving into automation, this software is a must-try. And remember, I've reviewed thousands of AI tools, and AutoBrowser AI stands out as one of the best when it comes to ease of use, speed, and scalability. I've also listed some of my recommended AI tools in the description that you can try for free after testing out AutoBrowser AI. If you want to keep your workflows automated and running smoothly, these options will definitely help you along the way. So, to wrap up, AutoBrowser AI is a powerful tool, and if you need an efficient way to automate your browsing tasks, this is definitely worth your time. You can test it out for free and see how it can revolutionize your workflow.